Hey, Matt here with 911R. We have this 1990 Targa that is putting up for sale. This is a car that I sourced here in Oregon. This car was sold sold used in Bend, Oregon in 2007. It's been with the same family since. We picked it up from the estate of the gentleman and gone through and took it through our shop. You know, our shop is a Porsche experts. We really work on air-cooled, specialize in air-cooled cars, and we went through all the mechanicals and put new tires on it, did all the services. We also did a compression that is posted in the auction. But this is a really beautiful 1990 Targa. It's got cup wheels on it, like I said, brand new Michelins. The body and paint on it is really sharp. You can see there's really free from any rock chips or anything. We have posted paint mirror readings in it in the auction. You can see. I'm going to open up the front and you can see how nice it is. So underneath the front, it's all how it should be. All the carpet's good, and we'll open up here. We got the air inflator and the spare tire. It's got a fairly fresh battery in it. It's tested out really good. All the fluids, brakes have all been serviced on the car. Come around and see the engine bay. And it's very well presented and clean. Again, spark plugs, all new fluids, filters, and just all the service items that need to be done on it. The rear wing on it is in good shape. There's no cracks in it. A lot of those are cracked. The tail lights all look really good. The body seals on the side that were they shrink up. We had them all replaced and they look really good. The target top's in great shape. The inside of the headliner, we have it posted. We fold it up. It folds up really nicely. It functions really good. The tools are there to open and close it. The leather interior in it is in great shape as well. You got power seats with the multi-function adjusters on it. The car's all very, very, very stock in appearance. It hasn't been modified. Nobody's gone through and put weird stereos or anything in it. But it's just a really honest, tight, 964, Carrera 2. And as everybody knows, these cars are hot, but to get a good example is tough. This car's been sorted. Somebody's gonna have a really good time and a fun car in this car. Any questions, let us know. If you're interested in 911R or representing a car for us, use the contact seller button. Or if you have any questions directly about the car, again, the contact seller button, and we'll get you all set up. Thank you very much.